Oil prices are rising globally, and this isn't just about energy markets. It directly affects how much you spend every day without you even realizing it. When oil prices increase, fuel prices rise quickly. So every time you refill your vehicle, you start paying more, making it one of the first direct impacts people notice. But the impact doesn't stop there. Higher fuel costs increase transportation and logistics expenses, making it more expensive to move goods across cities and countries. As transportation costs rise, businesses start facing higher operational expenses, from production to delivery, which increases the overall cost of running operations. To manage these rising costs, companies adjust their pricing, passing the burden to consumers, which leads to higher prices for everyday goods and services. This is where the real impact begins, as rising prices reduce your purchasing power, meaning you can now afford fewer things with the same amount of money. And when prices rise across multiple sectors, it leads to inflation, where the overall cost of living increases, affecting everything from groceries to basic services. As inflation rises, the value of your money decreases, meaning even if your income stays the same, your actual purchasing power continues to shrink. This creates a financial imbalance, where your expenses grow faster than your income, putting constant pressure on your monthly budget and savings. To manage this gap, many people start relying on credit, using credit cards or loans to maintain their lifestyle despite rising costs. But using credit comes at a cost, with interest rates adding extra financial burden, making it harder to repay and increasing long-term debt. Over time, this creates a cycle where debt, interest, and expenses keep increasing together, making it difficult to regain financial stability. This cycle doesn't just affect individuals, it spreads across economies, where rising debt and reduced spending begin to slow down overall financial growth. As more people rely on credit and struggle with repayments, financial pressure builds across the system, making economic stability harder to maintain. This is how rising costs, debt, and interest connect globally, creating a network of financial pressure that affects millions of people at the same time. And this is how economic pressure builds in everyday life, where rising costs, debt, and interest slowly reduce your financial stability over time. But once you understand how this system works, you can start making better financial decisions and avoid falling deeper into the same cycle over time. Because the real problem is not just rising prices, it is not understanding how the system works. And once you see it clearly, you start making smarter financial decisions.